Nothing has unveiled the design of the Phone 2a Plus, featuring a new metallic finish that distinguishes it from the Phone 2a, while maintaining the same glyph light placements. Update: Nothing has announced that the Phone 2a Plus will include a 50MP front camera, an upgrade from the 32MP camera in the Phone 2a, while keeping the dual 50MP rear cameras. Earlier, after confirming the Nothing Phone 2a Plus launch for July 31st, the company has today revealed the inclusion of the MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro SoC, replacing the Dimensity 7200 Pro in the Phone 2a. The Dimensity 7350 Pro offers up to a 3 GHz clock speed, compared to 2.8 GHz in the 7200, making it 10% faster. It also features a faster Mali G610MC4 GPU clocked at up to 1.3 GHz, which the company claims is 30% faster than the GPU in the 7200 Pro. The SoC supports 4K video recording on both front and rear cameras, as well as HDR images and HDR10+ playback. The company also noted support for dual 5G, Bluetooth 5, 3, and Wi-Fi 6. The phone retains 12 GB of RAM and offers up to 8 GB of virtual RAM.